Hello, I'm Chris with the Albuquerque Public Library. Today we're going to be making homopolar motors. Very cool spinning sculptures. They're electromagnets. It's the same tech that you have that spins your CDs in your CD player or wind turbines. Here's what you're going to need to get it started. So we're going to be using some rare earth or neodymium magnets. Something really strong magnet will work. We're going to be using copper wire. Today we're using 6 mil or 8 mil will work really well because you want it to be bendable and strong, but not too weak, not too thin. You'll need some needle nose pliers, some regular pliers, and maybe even some wire cutters. If you're going to be using wire cutters, you might want to get mom or dad to help you out because we only want to cut wire here. And lastly, we need a AA battery. And that's it. That's all it takes to make these cool spinning things. Fortunately, at the bottom, to start off, we included a stencil. At the top is a very simple square, basic one. At the bottom, we have Tiny Dancer, which is going to be the one we're making today. And what you're going to want to do is take a bit of wire and your template, and you're going to match up the wire as best you can and bend it around using the pliers. And we're going to bend and bend and bend like this and over here. And you're going to end up like this. And the most finicky bit of this is the fact we have a little nib right here and we have a spiral at the bottom. That spiral needs to go around the battery. So you want to make it big enough that the battery fits in there and that nib fits right over the top, as centered as you can. You're going to find it's very finicky and you have to bend it and play with it a whole bunch to get it balanced just right. And while you're bending yours into place, I'm going to talk a little bit about the science. And I'm going to use Fleming's left-hand rule. If you hold up your left hand and you make an L, like in the forehead thing, but you're going to put the other finger out. And this describes the magnetic force going up and down, the positive and negative side of a magnet. The copper wire represents this finger here and sticks out this way. And when you have the magnetic field with a current, the force is going to be pushed out the other direction. That's what makes these spin around. That's kind of a simple description of Faraday's law. If you're interested in this kind of thing, I would go to your local library, look up Michael Faraday, Faraday's law, and the Lorentz force. Well, that's about it. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.